What's up guys, Joe here from Clean Getaway Car Detailing. In this video, I want to talk to you about why you need to bring your car to a professional car detailing workshop like ours here at Clean Getaway. It's so important to know what the facility is like, where your car's being detailed, where does it actually get washed, how do they coat your car. All those different elements make up such a good professional detailing workshop. So we're gonna really strip it back and we want you to come check out our workshop. Nothing to hide here, so follow me. Let's check out and see what the boys are up to. So when it comes to car detailing, people always want to know where their car is being washed and how. Well, here at Clean Getaway, our wash bay is inside. It's not outside in the sun where the water will dry up on your car because it's hot and you get water spotting and all that bad stuff. Our wash bay is inside. It's all certified and approved by the local council. We have an oil separator, so it all meets the environmental safety levels. And also too, we use 6 wash buckets, not just 1, not just 2, but 6 to ensure your car is washed safely and efficiently as possible. And also too, it's really important to know, we do not use chamois or sponges. We only use premium microfiber wash mitts and drying towels. And we also use air to dry your car down even more safely. So when it comes to a detailing business, you want to make sure their wash bay's inside, they're using all the best products and plenty of wash buckets to get the job done safely and efficiently as possible, like ours is here at Clean Getaway. So now we come to the machine polishing and paint correction part of detailing. So it's so important that when your car is getting machine polished or getting paint corrected, it's going to a place where it's really well ventilated. There's a spacious area to work on the car because you need a lot of room to work around a vehicle. You got to have really good lighting, like LED lighting, a pretty good natural lighting coming through as well, but also access to handheld LEDs so you can really go around the vehicle and check your work out. You know, it's so important that really good quality equipment like the Flex polishing machines, really good pads, the right compounds, they're all being used on your vehicle because your car deserves the best and it takes really good equipment to make that work extremely well and get the best results. Also too, it's really good when you can get your car off the ground. When you're able to do that, you can work on your vehicle at an eye level. You're not laying on the ground trying to machine polish in a really awkward position and when you really start to hurt your back that way. So we at Clean Getaway, we actually have a scissor lift hoist where we can get your car right off the ground, a meter off the ground, and then we can also remove the wheels safely so that we can clean up in the wheel arches. We can clean and coat your suspension, and it also allows us to take the wheels off your car so we can clean and protect the wheels as well. So that there means that we can provide a much better, higher quality service, which is so important. And when you want the best, you can come to a professional detailing shop that has a scissor lift hoist like ours and get the best result possible. Car detailing is all about the details. It's in the name, it's obvious. So when it comes to a professional car detailing workshop, you've got to make sure that all the details are all in line. So there's no rubbish on the ground, everything's in order, and that everyone knows where all the tools are. It's got to be refined, it's got to be perfect and clean and tidy. And that's so important when it comes to detailing your car. The bay has to have all the gear, the detailing bay. So here at Clean Getaway, each detailing bay has its own vacuum, own shampoo extraction machine, all the chemicals we need from detailing brushes to lights to microfiber towels and the tools and polishers and polishing machines. Everything you need to detail on a car is in that bay. So that ensures that our team aren't running from one side of the shop to the other. They're just staying in their bay, using all the time on your car and not wasting time looking and trying to find stuff because it's chaotic and unorganized. It's got to be all about the details. It's got to be neat and tidy. It's got to be in line, perfected, so that we can achieve the best result possible. That's what makes a professional detailing shop so good. So if you're wanting to get your car protected with a ceramic coating or a graphene coating, it's really good to get an understanding of where your car is going to be worked on inside a detailing workshop. It's so important that it's not outside or inside a really hot tin shed or a garage, where it can be very difficult to work on a car like that and get the best result possible. What makes it so much better for your car is that it's in an enclosed, dust-free, temperature-controlled room with really, really good lighting. These things are so important to the ceramic coating application and processes. It means that it's not getting dusty and dirty when you're working on a very delicate paint. That's really important. It makes a big difference when you're not doing it next to a car that's being vacuumed or polished or washed. So having an enclosed room is critical. And then also being temperature controlled. That means that if it's raining outside, or if it's snowing, or if it's really hot or really cold, it doesn't matter, because you can set the temperature to the room to allow for the best application of that coating. And then it comes down to lighting. It makes it really difficult to do a really good job and get the thickest layer possible and allow it to dwell for the longest period of time when you don't have the right lighting. So a professional detailing business must invest in having the correct lighting above them and beside them, so that they can get the best result, especially on a color that's difficult to work on, like a solid white or a black or something like that. So having a really good clean room or coating bay that's designed for coating cars is critical, and that means that you'll get the best result possible on your vehicle. So that's the detailing workshop side of things. What about everything that happens in the back end of the business? You know, it's so important that when you're bringing your car to a professional detailing business, that first of all, they've got the right insurance. You've got to make sure they've got the right driver's risk insurance, that they're covered for every different kind of scenario. If your car's locked up overnight or they're working on your car on site, you've got to make sure that they are fully insured. Also too, you want to make sure that they have the experience to get the job done. They've got to have the skills to pay the bills, if you know what I mean. You know, you want to make sure they've got experience on your particular car. Have they ever worked on one? Do they know what the paint's like? Do they even know how to drive the car? All those different things really, really matter. They give you confidence that you've got your car at the right business. And obviously too, convenience. You know, we understand it can be tough to bring your car in for a full day or keep overnight or even just a few hours. So it's really good when a business can offer you convenient service, like maybe an Uber, or they drop you home, or they even have a courtesy car. Like here at Clean Getaway, we've got 3 courtesy cars. They're just about 3 brand new cars. They're all automatic. They got AC, highest NCAP safety rating, all those great elements, which mean you can drive away, you can drop your car off, and then you can leave in one of our cars for the day, so you can still get your job done. All these things are so important. Service is important. You want to make sure they offer great service to you. They text you, they call you, they email through your invoice. All these different things matter so much, and they make up a professional car detailing business. So I hope this video has been super helpful from understanding, you know, what a wash bay should be like, what detailing bays should be, what they should include, and also to how you get your car coated and all those really important elements about what they need to coat your car, like the environment and the lighting, and all those things are so important. So if this is helpful, let us know. If you have any questions, please message us or contact us. And whether you're in Cairns, Brisbane, Adelaide, Singapore, wherever, I hope this video is helpful to you, so that you can book in your car somewhere for a professional detail and know that it's at the right place. Cheers.